Defamation is a different thing. You go
That
and
is the
arrest
section
somebody.
500 is defamation.
You go and arrest somebody, and who has been defamed? What obligation do you have to go and arrest people?
First, my lord,
First of all, there has to be a complaint from the person who alleged the defamation has taken place. He could have, since it was brought to his notice, you could have waited till the first at least.
please take me
You did
subsection
not do it. I think it is an absolute excess action on the part of the police. Very overzealous.
মানে আমাদের জায়গা জমি মানে এলাকায় পুকুর বুঁজে যাচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে, তো অবৈধ নির্মাণ হচ্ছে। আমি এর আগে অনেক মামলা করেছি, আমাদের লয়াররা আছে পিছনে, তো সেটা অর্ডারও হয়েছে, কিন্তু তারপরে সেসব কাজ হচ্ছিল না, ঠিক আছে। তো আমি সেটা বলেছি। এবার আমার এলাকায় আরও অনেক যেসব কাজ হয় ওয়ার্ডে, সেসব ওয়ার্ডে কাজ হয় না। ওগুলো বলেছি বলে আমার প্রথমে বাড়িতে লোক এসেছিলো, তারপর ফোন করিয়েছিল, হঠাৎ করে আমার থানায় ডাক এসছে। প্রথমে বাড়িতে থানা থেকে লোক এসেছিলো, তো যেতে আমাকে অ্যারেস্ট করে নিয়েছে।
Yes, tell me.
on the basis, as may I just divide the two into two portions. One is as far his arrest is concerned. The next part is as far as his complaint is concerned. As far as the arrest is concerned, my lord, he has made certain comments and things while during a live transmission going on the basis of which we received two complaints. On the basis of that, my lord, two cases were recorded as far as two persons are concerned. The second part is concerned, my lord, we have also inquired into the threat part of it, but nothing could be substantiated about it. My lord. These are the two parts to it. Your lordship so desires, my lord, I shall give your lordship the detail of everything that is there.
Tell me, the page 22, there are certain comments. Are these the comments which
Your lordship,
resulted in his arrest?
lordship. No, these are not only the ones. My lord, there are allegations against the comments have been made by against two persons.
Was there any bar for the comments to come up?
My lord,
If there is a public meeting and there is a forum when the public can ventilate their grievances,
no,
and
this
if
was not in the
somebody
forum. This was not in
did
that forum.
so,
No.
very well. Suppose it is not in the forum. It
But-
is somewhere else.
My lord, today
Where is the bar? A person cannot ventilate his grievance.
no, but a person can ventilate, but as long as you do not defame anybody.
Defamation is a different thing. You go
That
and
is the
arrest
section
somebody.
500 is defamation.
You go and arrest somebody, and who has been defamed? The names of the persons as who lodged the complaint.
No, 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 no.
Who
There are
is
two
this
per-
Prosenjit and who is this?
Sanjit has been done at the behest. My lord, the complaint is as far as the allegations made, the defamations made against Arup Rai. The complaint,
Did Arup Rai lodge any complaint?
it is not necessary. These are complaints which are made on behalf of Arup Rai.
What are you saying? Not on behalf. This petitioner lodges complaint against Arup Rai.
No, petitioner made certain comments.
Against Arup Rai.
Yes, which were defamated.
Defamation, whether it is defamatory or not, it's related to Arup Rai himself. Why will others come in?
My lord, today, at the behest of Arup Rai, my lord, if my
This
lord
is
kindly take
absolute
the-
excess action on the part of the police, it seems.
My lord, may I just? So the complaint was made under section 500. My lord, if your lordship reads the section, it is not, does not require that the person against whom this statement is made, he has to only, that is not a mandate.
Defamation, I say something to you and excess complaint will be acted upon and a person will be put in custody.
No, put in
Where is
custody.
the law?
My lord, put in custody is secondary portion. That is because of non-compliance of section 41A. I am coming to this. As far as the custody is different, as far as the section is concerned.
First of all, there has to be a complaint from the person who alleged the defamation has taken place.
This is not a requirement under the statute.
So anybody can lodge a complaint for defaming somebody.
If today somebody says something against anybody,
Yes.
it is not mandatory that only
That person has to come. Anybody XYZ can
on
come
his
forward
behalf,
and say,
somebody can also.
and the offense of defamation has to be proved first. Then only the question of punishment arises.
No. A situation does arise. Normally, we will not.
The police officer shall, in all cases where the arrest of a person is not required, that is the precondition, not required, Under the provisions of subsection 1 of section 41, issue a notice directing person against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received or a reasonable suspicion exists that he has committed a cognizable offense to appear before him or at such place he as may be specified in the notice. Where the notice is issued to the person, it shall be the duty of that person to comply with the terms of the notice. But my case is that when it was sought to be served, he refused. Then kindly take where the person complies and continues to comply with the notice, he shall not be arrested. The 3 doesn't come. In respect of the offense referred to in the notice,
Listen, this notice is dated 30th of June. Direction was given upon him to appear on 1st of July
Right.
2024.
right?
You arrest him on the 30th itself.
So he did not accept it.
Very well. Assuming he does not accept it on that date, he could have, since it was brought to his notice, you could have waited till the first at least.
Please take me
You
to
did
subsection
not do
3.
it. I think it is an absolute excess action on the part of the police. Very overzealous.
May I kindly take me to paragraph 7 then?
Statements conducting to public mischief. What is the statement which was the public mischief?
Well, having a tendency, kindly have a look to that.
Yes. What is the tendency? If somebody makes a protest of any illegality that is going on,
It's not a protest. Well,
objection,
it is an aspersion given that X is
aspersion.
that.
Assuming it's an aspersion, it is at the aspersion level. It has not been adjudicated by any court of law. Do you want to gag people?
No,
They
no, no.
cannot express their opinion that somebody is doing something wrong.
Millard, the point is, Millard, again, Millard, I repeat, Millard, as in the other petitions, Millard, what obligation do I have at that
Yes.
stage?
What obligation do you have to go and arrest people? Show me exactly what prompted you to arrest him. What was the
I
what
went
was
with the,
the
Millard, is my learned friend's clients denying that 41A notice was sought to be served on them?
Yes, he went to the police station to cooperate. Let
and
them-
when from where was he arrested?
From police
From,
station.
from house.
I deny upon instruction I state he was arrested.
And this will be adjudicated in the writ jurisdiction.
No, it will not be adjudicated. You are curbing someone's personal liberty. It is here the court is interfering. The court will not interfere with the merits
Right.
of the matter.
Now, therefore, Millard, if he had cooperated, then Millard, I had no,
Cooperation means towing the line of the police.
No.
Does it mean so?
Millard, come to me, give a statement.
Come to me on 1st, arrested on the 30th. Please come. I
Millard,
am not listening to anything else.
Very-
Are you aware as to any other case pending against him?
I don't think so.
It has been submitted by the learned AG that as on date, the person has been arrested only in connection with FIR case number 292/24 and no other case is pending against him. Stop. Next.
There are
the-
two FIRs, Lordship, another FIR has to be stayed. He should not be arrested in connection with.
The person concerned should be released from custody by 5 p.m. today. Stop. Let this order be communicated to the concerned authority at once.
Lordship, concerned
The
jail authority,
notice-
Lordship.
Jail authority.
And Lordship,
Acha, the notice under
protection
section
for the family
41
members and the
Caps A CRPC dated 30th of June 2024 be written with the records.
Lordship, only one
Millard, that is the original, Millard.
protection for
We
the family,
provide as per
Photocopy.
photocopy.
protection for the family members and the petition, Lordship.
He protects.
Who will protect you? The same police who is going to arrest you is going to give you protection. Do you expect?
I do not expect, but
Then-
Lordship, I should expect at least since the Advocate General is present here.
Time of arrest?
Lordship, since 28th, Lordship, since the time of lodging of the FIR, Lordship.
You want it from 28th? Why? What happened on the 20th? The petition.
No, Lordship, anything may come up. Who have
You
concern-
tell me first whether your client went there on
Yes,
28th.
there is one complaint which was on 28/6/2024.
Did your
in
client
case
go
34.
there? Did
Yes.
your client
Why
go
did he
there?
go there, sir?
Commissioner of Police Office, he went there, not in Shipur Police Station.
In Shipur police station, when did he go and when was the time of
It was
arrest?
on 30th.
30th time,
30th time, Lordship.
approximately
Approximately, Lordship, it is given at 7:30.
PM AM
I'll just check, Lordship. Let me
entire
check
day
it.
করে দিন 30th of
What
June
was it?
2024 entire
Lordship,
day shall
9 p.m. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. onwards.
পুরোটা entire day shall be preserved, shall take into consideration the complaint filed by the petitioner on
So
20.
28/6/24 before the Commissioner of Police, Howrah.
Then how can the SP, the officer in charge to commissioner of police Howrah, যেখানে বললাম ওসি সেটা হবে কমিশনার অফ পুলিশ হাওড়া।